Positive interventions within the framework of positive psychology offer innovative approaches to treating conditions like depression and anxiety. These interventions focus not only on alleviating symptoms, but also on enhancing individuals' overall well-being, resilience, and happiness. By integrating these practices, mental health professionals can provide a more holistic treatment approach that may improve long-term outcomes for those suffering from these common mental health disorders. Depression is typically characterized by pervasive low mood, lack of motivation, and a loss of interest in enjoyable activities. Positive interventions aim to counteract these symptoms by fostering positive emotions, engagement, and a sense of purpose. Gratitude exercises. Gratitude can significantly impact mood and outlook, which are often skewed negatively in depression. Keeping a gratitude journal, writing down 3 things for which one is grateful each day, has been shown to increase long-term well-being and reduce symptoms of depression. Strengths-based therapy. This approach involves identifying personal strengths and learning how to use these strengths to handle life's challenges and engage more fully in activities. Utilizing personal strengths can provide pathways out of the helplessness often felt in depression. Behavioral activation. Encouraging activities that are likely to generate positive emotions can be particularly effective. This might include engaging in hobbies, social events, or physical activities that the individual used to enjoy before becoming depressed. Anxiety often involves chronic worry, nervousness, and tension. Positive interventions for anxiety focus on building skills that help manage these symptoms and improve overall mental resilience. Mindfulness and meditation. These practices help individuals focus on the present moment rather than worrying about the future or ruminating on the past. Mindfulness techniques can decrease the stress and anxiety that contribute to anxiety disorders. Positive imagery. Visualization of positive outcomes and situations can help counteract the negative and catastrophic thinking that fuels anxiety. This technique involves guiding individuals to imagine themselves successfully facing their fears or anxieties. Building social connections. Social support is crucial for mitigating anxiety. Activities that enhance a sense of connection, such as group therapy or community involvement, that can provide reassurance and reduce feelings of isolation and anxiety. Integrating positive interventions with traditional psychotherapy approaches provides a comprehensive treatment plan for depression and anxiety. For example, combining cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, with positive psychology's emphasis on cultivating positive thoughts and emotions can be particularly effective. Psychoeducation. Teaching individuals about the role of positive emotions and activities in managing mood disorders can empower them to use these tools alongside more traditional strategies. Personalized treatment plans. Incorporating patient preferences and strengths into the treatment plan increases engagement and efficacy. Personalizing interventions in this way can make therapy more enjoyable and meaningful for the individual. Research supports the effectiveness of these positive interventions in treating depression and anxiety. Studies have shown that interventions like gratitude exercises, mindfulness, and strengths identification not only reduce symptoms of these disorders, but also enhance personal growth, resilience, and overall life satisfaction. By addressing not only the deficits but also the strengths of individuals, therapists can foster a more resilient and joyful state of being, which is the ultimate goal of positive psychology.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.